бүгінгі тақырыбымыз өзінің кейіпкерлердің ішкі жан дүниесін сезіне аламыз. Сондықтан бүгін автордың жеткізгісі келген ойды бірге ашуға тырысамыз.
For all people, it helps us feel the pain of the character and the scene delight about their lives. The author of this powerful work is talented writer.
Text on human lives. It is not only about nature or the environment. It is about the hearts and the soul. First of the historical organization, the stories of human life. Through the character level, the author wants to wells up our hearts. She tells us to stand against cruelty and mistakes.
Very famous and respected piece of art. Later it was made into a movie called The Story is the Girl Who Cried. Many people love this movie for its deep meaning. The characters face nature and their relationships.
Layla is the main character of the story. She's a developed girl, but she's very smart. Here, much more sensitive, but she's than many adults.
The core idea is to protect nature and human values. The author says that kind souls struggle to survive in a cruel world. The story teaches us to be helpful and compassionate. We must keep our world safe and full of love. Kindness is the most important thing in life. The story is about
After Ол басты кейіпкер үшін негізгі орын. Today has eternal sales. She asks if she has to live an eternal sale.
Religion is the existing stories. It restores the health and the health enemy. Many people. It took away their health.
What is our nature and the health of the human being? For example, for feel empathy and mercy, this story helps us become better versions of our stories. It is a very important lesson for students.
We live a much real story in our hearts forever.
Жылдан 1991 жылға дейін 60 жылға жуық жерасты жер үсті ядролық қарулар жарылғанын білеміз. Қазақтың даласына мысалы біз жаңа видеода байқаған шығарсыздар, оны тоқтатуға мемлекет басшыларының өздері кіріскен.